How to change country or region on your Apple Music. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you would like to change the country or region on your Apple Music, here is what you should do. So first and foremost, head over to your Apple Music. Once you have gone to your Apple Music, tap on your profile which is on the top right. Tapping on it will take you to another page that is your profile. Then head over to account settings. Once you are on your account settings, you will see different options along with country and region. Tap on country or region option and you will see a list of different countries. Scroll down and find the country that you want to switch to. However, keep in mind before that you need to spend your store credit. You cannot change region without or with a remaining balance. After that, you must also cancel subscriptions and wait until they expire. If you have done all of this, then you can change the country, but before that, you must have a valid payment method for the new country or region. Once you do so, only then you'll be able to switch the country. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.